So we start our day like this very clean plate. This is how we present ourselves to the world in a very clean manner. And then something happens, and it may be a phone call, it may be an email, but then all of a sudden something gets smushed into our viewing screen. What do we do with that? Do we add more to it? Do we let it pile on top of each other? Do we go to negative self-talk? Which negative self-talk adds another layer of crap. And then we go into our next meeting, our next event with this. Would you like to learn how to take all of that energy away, to clear the slate so that you can have a brand new moment? If you do, I invite you to come and visit with me on my next webinar. It will be December 6th on a Tuesday and December 7th on a Wednesday. Come and join us.